Hey, it's Mike Grambo with JMJ Financial. The Freddie Mac National Average is at 7.18% this week, and it's Fed week. So the Fed will be announcing on Wednesday what their thoughts are with our current economy, as well as whether they're going to have another increase to the rate this month. Now, most signs and the common consensus in the market is that there will not be an increase on Wednesday. However, there are still Fed chairs and people that think that we aren't at the 2% inflation target and will encourage future rate hikes. So we'll see what the Fed has to say, but either way, we're expecting it to move the markets one way or another. Now, I had an interesting case over the last month where we had an investor that wanted to sell a property and 1031 exchange it into a new property. For those not familiar, that's a 1031 exchange is a tax strategy where you can defer your capital gains when you're selling one investment property, purchasing another investment property. Now, one of the catches to a 1031 is that you must hold title the same in the property that you're selling and the property that you're buying. Now, a lot of investors hold their title in an LLC, and most lenders don't want to fund into an LLC. They want to fund into a personal name. So that was the first hurdle to get over. We worked with the 1031 exchange company, also known as an accommodator, and figured out that the LLC was actually a disregarded LLC, which means that it passed through our investors' personal tax returns. It was not a separate business entity. And thus, we could fund into his personal name, and it wouldn't affect the 1031 exchange because it would count still just as his personal name. The other thing that we ran into was getting him to qualify on his own. So we had to pull in another co-borrower. Now, once again, this could present a title issue because if you had to add the co-borrower or co-signer to title, which a lot of lenders require, then that causes issues for the accommodator. So we found a lender that allowed for the co-signer and his income towards qualification without requiring that person to be on title of the home. So now the accommodator's happy and we made the lender happy and our investor has a new investment property. Hope you guys have a great week. If you have any questions on 1031 exchanges, give me a call.